Hello everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel, Septeria 18. I've got a fun project to show you. This video will be a part 1 video and I'm going to show you a detailed look of this really fun project. And then I'll do a part 2 and do the tutorial on how you can easily assemble this really fun double envelope style folder. And it's a one sheet wonder project, so you only need one piece of 12 by 12 double-sided paper, or you can use two 12 by 12 double-sided paper and then you cut them in half, so you'll have two pieces at 6 inches by 12 inches if you wanted to use two different contrasting papers. But it only needs a 12 by 12 paper to make this really fun project. This one here that I made, I used two different 12 by 12 paper and I cut it in half. But when I do the tutorial, I'll show you the tutorial using just the one piece of 12 by 12. But this fun project, just wanted to show you the papers that I used before I show you how it looks like. It was a really fun paper collection. If you haven't already seen the papers yet, it's by Pebbles. It's the Kids at Heart collection, and it's American Crafts paper. It's really fun. I love the colors, nice pop colors. So these are the patterns that I picked up. And then there are some cut aparts, and there is also this one, and it's also double-sided as well, so they've got some also fun patterns on the back part as well. So I thought this was a perfect paper to make this really easy project. And then I also bought the 6 by 8 paper pad, coordinating paper pad as well, so I was able to use some of the papers in here as well. So again, nice fun colors, bright pop colors. So I thought this was a great paper pad to play with. So I did use these papers in case you were wondering. So this is the double envelope style folder. I had so much fun making this, and you can see I jam-packed it with full of goodness inside. It's just really fun to put together. I did use some string to use as a closure, so you can see the front looks like an envelope style, and I'll just undo this so you can have a look inside. And if you are going to use two pieces of 12 by 12 to make this, you can actually make two sets of these envelope style folders. You can keep one for yourself, and then you can also gift one as happy mail, or you can just keep both for yourself and add heaps of fun stuff in here because it's nice and wide, and the pockets are nice and deep as well. So this is the cover. I did a little bit of embellishing. I did fussy cut one of the flowers, and then I added just some scrap papers to finish off the bits and pieces. So this is the first part of the envelope style, and then I did create a gusset as well to give it a more expandable front pocket, so you can add more stuff inside. So you can see it's nice and has a nice large opening, and that just closes up like that. I did place one of my like little mini booklets that I had made in one of my other videos. I thought this was perfect and that fitted in there as well. So this is how it looks like. There's a top pocket, and this is great. You can make this as a journaling card, or a journaling book, or as a mini album. You can add some photos and do some writing in here. And there is also a side pocket where I've made some file cards, where you could also use these as photo mats to add some photos or do some journaling, and that goes in there. And then that's the next page, and then I did add some vellum just to create a little flip page here, just to add some fun texture to the booklet. And that's the next part, and then there is the next page, and then that's the back, and then that's the front. So that's just a little booklet I thought would fit perfectly. And you open this up, and then on this side here I did again just some simple embellishing with some of the cut aparts from the collection. And this is another top pocket. I made one of those vellum envelopes again in one of my other videos. I thought that was a nice size to fit in this pocket. So you can see it's nice and deep and wide. So you can add cards. You can use this for recipe cards. You could just use this to add all of your tags and store all your tags in the pocket folders. So there's a lot of uses for this folder. So then on this side here is another envelope. So it is the same as this side. The only difference with this, it doesn't have the expandable gusset. It's just a nice flat envelope style. I made a little pocket in the front and just create a little note card that will fit in there, just in case you wanted to do the same, and then use this as a little note card as a gift. And then I placed one of my little banner shaped embellishment that I had just recently done a tutorial on how you can make this quite easily, and I thought that was just nice to finish off the closure of the envelope. And I'll have these listed in my shop, and let me just show you the embellishments. So these are the embellishments that I have just added to the shop. Let me just get more out first so you can see. And you get two embellishments. One that's already made with a little dangle on the end, and it's ready for you to add more layering if you like. You can also add more sequins or embellishments, a little word sentiment. There's a little dangle. So you'll get a random one of these, and you'll also get a random banner shaped embellishment just like this, where you could continue decorating or leave it as is. So there's a few here. So you'll just get one of these, and you'll also get one of these in the pack. And I have also added a little library pocket as well to go with the little embellishments if you wanted to use the pocket on another project. So they just go in there. So I've added one of these cute little library pockets in the pack as well. So just another little addition to my shop if you wanted to purchase the one that I've made. So I just thought I'd show you those. So that's that. So we'll just go back to the project. And so you open this up, and I thought this was cute to have a little dangle on the end. And then you open this up. I did add in here a little file folder that I made with a 6x6 paper. It's got two little pockets. I haven't glued it down yet, but I just wanted to show you what you can fit in here as well. So this is a little file folder, double pocket, using a 6x6 paper. I added these like file cards, and I just created my own tabs to make little file cards, and I thought these are great to add notes. And so that is the other pocket. So you can see you can still add all these in there, and then that closes up, and then you turn this to the back, and then there is another pocket here at the back as well. And I put in here a really bulky like a pocket folder or a traveler's note style pocket folder, and this is the back pocket here. So there is in total 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 pockets, and that's that one. And this is another cute little folder, and I'll also do a tutorial for you and show you how you can make one of these. So it just opens up this way, and actually this is supposed to be like an envelope that closes up like that. I just wanted to see if this was going to fit in there, so I thought this would fit in here, and then it just closes up like that. So it's a really fun little folder. So it's got like an envelope here on the front with a pocket, and then there is another back pocket here for some tags if you want to fit some tags. And then I did add another folder which is the same as this style that I've made but without this part, and then it just opens up this way, And then there is that side pocket where I've placed one of my other pockets that I also had made a while back. And there is some packaged page divider shape, what they call them, file tabs. And they just fit it in there. I've got a little dangle. And I did a tutorial on how you can make these cute pockets so easily with a 4x6 paper, I think. And then I just embellish the front. And that goes in there. So you can see this is a dimensional pocket, but I was still able to fit it in the envelope. And then on the back here is a side pocket as well. So that is the side pocket, and it's nice and deep. And that's the back. And then this one, you can just slide this out if you don't want that. If you don't want this part, which is just some elastic. If you just wanted to keep it as a simple folder, you can do that. But I thought I'd just add this one there to add another little flip folder. So I will do another, I will do a tutorial to show you how to make this cute little folder with this envelope style pocket. And this uses one piece of paper as well to create this whole folder with this envelope as well. So that will be after I do this tutorial. I'll show you how to make this. So I just thought I would show you a detailed look of the double envelope style folder, and then I will be back with the tutorial if you're interested in making one of these. We're only using one sheet of 12x12 paper. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back shortly with the tutorial. Bye for now.